What's up, you tactical mother humpers? Going to the range today, bringing my Glock 23. I already got 300 rounds through it, so I'm feeling pretty good about it. I'm going to put another 50 rounds through it, maybe 100. Nah, probably 50. Shit's too pricey. I need to buy some ammo and stop buying guns. I figure I'd put the camera on my ugly face because, you know, I like to, you know, it's more personal sometimes. But, yeah, we're going to the Krusty range. The range with all the rules, you know, that range. And I don't mind a range with rules, you know the deal, dudes. The place is ridiculous. But, hey, it's better than I can't shoot my gun at all, you know what I mean? There's a lot of other good ranges in Philadelphia, but the problem with that is you have to buy their ammo. So if I get ammo for a good price, I can't even friggin' use it. So why would I even bother doing that? Anyway, that's it. Just filling you in on my day today. See ya. Just found out another rule about this range. You're not allowed to carry your firearm, even though if you have a permit. Wow. But you can shoot a loaded gun here. Oh man. Generation 4, yeah, Generation 4 Glock 23. No malfunctions whatsoever. Pretty good center mass group. And doing good. Alright, that was the last 5 shots. Not bad for having arthritis. My hands are like friggin' killing me today. Got one, I guess you would call that a flyer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, last 6 shots. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, last whatever. I can't count. That was the last few rounds I had left in the box. We're about 7 yards away. It's not bad. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See ya. Alright, just leaving the range. God damn, it's hot in here. Hold on. Holy cripe. There it is, the fat man's answer to life. AC. It's on. No, it's not on. It's not on. Now it's on. Well, I'll tell you. You know, my arthritis, I usually don't shoot when my arthritis is acting up. Because it's really, if you don't have it, you don't know anything about it. But when you're shooting and you're having flare-ups, every time you pull the trigger, it's like ow, 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 like fucking, what's his face? Wait a minute, I'm looking both ways so I don't get hit by a car. All right. Like, what's his face? See, I got a memory, man. That would have been a funny joke. I can't remember his name now. See that? Alright, I wish I had the help button. It's not here. It's home. Bart Simpson. Jesus God, you believe I couldn't think of that? Every time I pulled the trigger, I was going, ow, 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 ow. Alright? And, but believe it or not, ever since I put that 3-pound connector in the Glock, which does not make it 3 pounds, it makes it about 4.5. But it did ease it up a little, and what a difference. I can almost shoot it like a 1911, almost, but I don't want to make a Glock trigger too light. Now you have a safety issue. You're going to make your Glock trigger real light, then you keep it as a range gun. I wouldn't carry it. That's all you need to do is be carrying +1, and you draw your weapon out of the holster, and your finger hits the trigger, and then goodbye kneecap, or whatever's in its line of view of fire. But I have to say, the Gen 4 Glock, every time I shoot it, it's awesome. It really is. It's a great gun. So we got 300. I only shot 50 rounds because its ammo is really pricey. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video, a range video, because it's been a while. And it's got 350 rounds to it without one hiccup. And not one, so that's impressive to me. I like that. So Gen 4 Glock is definitely my Gen 4 Glock has passed my test for carrying a long time ago. It's good to go. I don't carry it a lot because I have a Gen 3 Glock 27, and it's just a lot smaller. It's easy to carry. You don't even feel the handle on in your ribs or anything. Now the Gen 3 is not a big gun by no means. Actually, it's a medium size on the small side gun, but the Glock 27 is just that much smaller. So that's what I'm doing. I carry the Glock 27, but you are not allowed to carry in the shooting range. I did not know that, because I thought I had common sense. Maybe I don't have common sense. You're in the shooting range firing a live, hot firearm, okay? But you're not allowed to carry your permit carry while you're shooting. Why not? Why not? You guys try to answer that for me. If my intentions are going to be bad, what am I going to do? Put down my range gun and say, oh shit, I don't have my carry gun, I can't do nothing bad? I just don't understand it. Jesus, it's just getting worse. But at the same time, the range is nice and close, and the people there that you meet are really good people. Once in a while, you'll meet a crazy, crazy over safety nut there. It doesn't really happen often. Out of 100 times I've been there, I think I've seen that maybe twice. And they're just older guys, and they've been there forever. They're range officers, and they just go by the book, you know. So, you know, when they're there, I don't even shoot. I mean, because I consider myself a safe shooter. I don't muzzle sweep people. Anytime I put my gun down, the slide's always back, locked back with an open chamber. I know I'm not a risk. I'm not an unsafe shooter. Everyone makes mistakes once in a while, don't get me wrong. So for them to treat me like that, it irritates me, because I know they don't know me, but I know I'm safe at a gun range, you know? So that's where it messes with you, your ego a little bit, and your pride. But at the same time, I say to myself, well, these people have, you know, they don't really know me. I don't shoot here a lot, so they might think I'm a crazy cowboy. Whatever. Just gonna find a good range soon. I'm gonna be calling my brother, and we're gonna talk about that. I think he has one near him. My brother's got some beautiful firearms. I'd like to show you guys. I've just been meaning to meet up with him, and we're gonna be this week meeting up with that guy. He's got a an AR-15 pistol. You ever seen one of them? And it's all hooked up. It's all tactical. It's really sweet. He's got a real high-end AK-47 with a Dragunov stock. I'm not sure on the brand though. I know he paid a ton of money for it, so it's probably a Polytech or a Norinco, or, you know, one of those nice AKs. But I don't know. I only seen it. I held it when I was a kid, and I put it back in the safe. I didn't know shit about guns then, so I don't know. It's got a high polished stock. Like, it's a really, really nice AK. He also has a semi-automatic and pump together shotgun. It's a Benelli. It does both. It's semi-auto and it's a pump. Not sure on the model, but maybe we'll see that too. Not sure. So, once again, barely go to the range, but shot pretty good, and the gun did fantastic, so I'm good. Alright, I'm going to try to go home. I'm going to try really hard not to stop at Wendy's. I'm going to try even harder not to stop at McDonald's. And then the ultimate test is I'm going to try really hard not to get a South Philly cheesesteak. See ya.